Hi guys, gahapon di ay. Ha? Kabalo asa. Hoy guys, gahapon guys, niadto ang mga bisita namo gahapon. Tapos habang nagdula, nagragtan akong cellphone, naghimo kog mga gifts sa akong classmate og sa akong teacher. So basta Nadi sa si Jael pasikat kayo. So let's go. Tekan kay ni guys, 12. Tekan. So tara, tan-awon na nato og basahon. Letter day yung gift guys. So guys, from Scarlett to teacher Ivy. To teacher Ivy. Done? So, ang nakabutang. Paano dyan? Nakabutang dari Dear teacher Ivy. Teacher Honey said that other teacher will not school here on Calasans. And teacher Honey said you or teacher Joy will not school here on Calasans. Teacher Ivy. Marang na guys. So done na. Kanina pod. From Scarlett to teacher Joy. So mo lang na. Tapos kanina pod. From Scarlett to teacher Christine. From Scarlett to teacher Patrick. From Scarlett to teacher Honey. From Scarlett to Adrian. From Scarlett to teacher Anna. From Scarlett to teacher Vance. Ano na pod?